So, nandito na kami sa airport. We're just looking for our gate. Siyempre, hindi ko na nakuhaan yung mga kung ano-anong pinagagawa namin. Pero boarding gate number 18 kami. Tapos, dito na rin si ate, tsaka si Gabi. So, boarding gate 18 daw kami. Pero nagugutom ako, so kakain muna din kami. Gabe, check mo nga kung yan nga.
Ayan.
Ito.
Hindi ko dapat lagi nagbabagal.
Bili tayong food. So, boarding gate number 18 kami. Ayan, so syempre nagva-vibe kami ng pagkain. Barbecue talaga. Gusto ko something hotdog. Sobrang daming tao ngayon, no? So, pupuntahan namin yung Pure Foods na stall dun sa other side. Kasi gusto namin ng hotdog. Yan. We're still waiting, maaga pa actually. Parang 2 o'clock pa lang. Tapos yung boarding time namin mga 3:45. So, sobrang aga na. Sobrang OA namin. Ayan, eto na yung Pure Foods Deli. Favorite namin to pag nandito kami sa airport. Sige, order ka, Gab. Sino si Gab? Paying. So yeah, favorite namin to pag every time na nasa Terminal 2 kami. Yan. Chili, bacon and cheese, chili dog, taco dog. So there, ano yung sa akin? Chili dog, diba? That's chili dog and then ito, bacon and cheese. Coke Zero. Okay, so secured na ang dinner ko for today. Kasi hindi ako nag-dinner. Dahil ako
ay 8 na bay.
So yan, dinner. Pero feeling ko maghahanap pa ako ng ibang kakainin after nito. Kasi bitin to for sure. Okay, so ito na nga. Nalipat na naman kami ng gate. So lumipat kami from gate 18 to gate 15. Yun nga, mostly kakain lang naman kami sa Bacolod. Early yung flight namin, so mag-early check-in na rin kami dun sa hotel. Hindi rin ganun kamahalan yung pinili namin na hotel. Very budget-friendly. Tipiders ako. So, it's a decent hotel naman daw. Yan, tapos plano namin matulog muna bago kami mag-tour around. And kumain. Boarding time! Okay, so finally naka-board na kami. And si ate getting ready na. Nakahiwalay sa amin si Gab. So, yung flight, I think is about an hour. Hindi mo na ako dadaldal, matutulog ako kasi wala pa kaming tulog. So, goodbye. See you later and see you in Bacolod. Bye! Oh, pak! Diba? Hello po! Good morning po! Hello everybody! So, nandito na kami sa Bacolod. And we're going to, Planta Central Bacolod. 30 to 40 minutes siguro from the airport.
Stay to the right to Bacolod Sea Light International Airport.
Hi! Naka-check-in na kami. And since kailangan mag-work ni ate, hindi mo na kami lalabas to eat breakfast. Ayan, nag-work si ate. Tapos nag-Jollibee na lang kami. Ayan, Jollibee. Okay, very quick room tour that we're gonna have. So this is the room that we got from Planta Centro. Tapos, meron siyang, actually 2 single beds lang yun, pero nagpa-extra kami ng isang bed kasi 3 kami. And then, Ayan. So, may AC. There's also a TV na hindi naman namin magamit dahil hindi namin mabuksan. Tapos, dito sa area na to, yung dresser. Tapos, ayan, area there. And then, gabi. And then, lahat ng mga pinamili namin. Right. Tapos, this is the view. So, parang hanggang 3rd floor lang sila. Walang naman mataas yung ano nila. I don't know what this is. I think this is parang small na mall. That's it. That's our room, guys. Hello everybody! So, lalabas kami for lunch ngayon. Siyempre, pupunta kami ng SM Bacolod. Tapos, syempre, kakain kami dun sa bagong nilipatan ng Manokan Country. Kasi, di ba, inalis na sila dun sa pwesto nila. Pero may bago silang nilipatan. So, we're going there. And, kakain tayo ng inasal. Init yarn.
Nangangalapit ang init.
Thank you, sir. Salamat po. Good afternoon po. Thank you po. So, we're here. Sige, kahit sa
aking
kahit sa na lang po.
warehouse
Apa.
para sabi niya, ma'am, wala pang
Alright guys, so we're here na sa bagong pwesto ng Manokan Country. And yung previous na pwesto nila, yung original na pwesto nila, they have already moved here kasi na-demolish na. So dito, we are going to try Aidas kasi yun yung pinaka parang sikat sa lahat. Alright, so everyone, for your information, this is their menu. Sobrang affordable, di ba? Mga 120, 110. O, di ba? Pak, kansi. So, freshly cooked. And of course, the dining area is just right outside. Andito rin, syempre, yung ibang mga kainan. Ayan, te, sige, gawa ka ng sausawan. So, syempre, gumagawa ng sausawan si ate. Kalamansi, sile, toyo. Syempre, alam mo, nilalagyan din yan ng suka. Syempre, they have the different kinds of sausawan, unlimited na chicken oil, tapos yung sinamak na suka, tapos yung toyo. Tapos yun nga, gagawa kayo ng sarili niyong sausawan. Muna. Okay guys, so pag pumunta kayo dito sa Aidas or sa Manokan Country, doon yung Manokan Country, di kailangan handa kayong mga muy usok kasi talagang they grill the chicken in front of you. Mga muy usok talaga kayo, but it's part of the experience. Alright guys, eto na yung order namin. Finally it came, so we did order a lot. Parang ang dami nating in order, oh my god. This is chorizo, and then we also got pecho pack, isol.
Their isol are
Yung
so
isol, grabe. Yung isol, ang laki ng isol. So, nag-order kami ng kansi. Naglalagay na si Gab. Tapos, syempre, hindi naman mawawala yung garlic rice. So, ito lahat ng in-order namin. Sobrang excited na ako kumain. Naka-gloves na si ate mo, girl. Excited na to eat. Nakabib pa yan.
puro nabuko naman. Sige, okay lang.
Oh, wow. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so good. And sobrang sarap, guys. Ang dami naming in-order, tapos feeling namin di namin mauubos. Pero naman, look. Look how we demolish things.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh, pak, walang naiwan.
Sana
Masarap lahat. Eto po, Kuya John. Thank you po. Okay, we're done. Oh, thank you. Hello po. Hi po tayo sa vlog. Okay guys, that was one great lunch. Sobrang sarap. First lunch in Bacolod, talagang solid na solid yung first lunch namin dahil yung traditional food ng Bacolod yung kinain namin. So ngayon, since nag-lunch na kami, punta muna kami sa SM Bacolod. Siyempre, ano yan? Cultural experience yung SM, di ba? May mga bibilin lang kaming mga gamit. And then, we would probably visit some of the mga coffee shops dito kasi famous din sila sa mga cakes and pastries and sweets nila. Kasi syempre, di ba, ang Bacolod ay sugar land. Marami silang sugar plantation. Before, I don't know kung hanggang ngayon marami pa rin silang sugar plantation. Pero yun, gahanap tayo later ng cafe to try real sweet desserts that they have here in Bacolod. Hello po! Good afternoon po! Winnie the Pooh. Ano magandang color?
Yung crochet.
Huh?
Na big pastillas. Big pastillas.
Meron yan. And parang natitempo
Naliits,
ko dun
bumili
sa
ka na,
mga
parang
ano,
yan,
empanada.
Ito, parang gift ko to. Ate, ano to? And
So we have found parang mga nagbebenta dito ng mga different stalls. Ayan. Tapos they have like classic or traditional na mga delicacies of Bacolod. I want to try but I'm really very full right now. So yan. Si Gabi. Ayan. Barquillos and all. So, ang dami. Parang gusto kong kainin lahat.
Kumusta naman ang shoot?
So, chorizo amunado. Chorizo. Chorizo pudpud. Good stuff. There are a lot of, mga nag...
Look at this braso.
Oo
Braso ni
nga.
Mercedes ah.
Sobrang dami ng nag-ano.
No, ang dami.
Alright guys, so we are here at Kalea. And of course, we're gonna try out their pastries. And they are very famous for their pastries and coffees and also their cakes. And this is the famous store. Sige, tignan natin what we are gonna order later. So let's go inside. Good afternoon po. Okay, so let's go check out the cakes and pastries that they have here. Grabe, super dami ng cakes na available. Ayan. They have different kinds of cakes. They have different kinds of pastries. Meron silang mga pies. Ayan. Meron din silang mga cakes and all. What I heard is that they're famous for their mud pie at saka yung chocolate cake nila. So, we're going to try that out and then magko-coffee din siguro tayo. Okay, so ito na po yung mga in-order namin from Kalea. Alright, let's start with the first one. This is the mud pie. This is sabi nila yung best seller. And I've also heard that this is their best seller. And then me, as a pecan pie lover, we also got the pecan pie. And then ate, as a tita, carrot cake, plus cappuccino, dahil matanda siya. And then the drinks we have
Iced Americano.
iced Americano for me, and then cafe latte. So we're gonna try it out. So what can you say about Kalea's pastries and cakes?
This is the chocolate mud pie. Ang sarap! Legit.
Masarap din yung pecan pie nila. Actually, lahat pecan pie is good.
Ang sarap nito.
Sobrang fan ako ng pecan pie, guys. So, masarap talaga yung pecan pie.
Pecan pie a la mode.
So good. You have to try Kalea. Highly recommended. Ilan subo?
10.
10 over 5 na subo. Okay guys, we're at City Hardware right now. Ang weird, sorry, kasi kailangan namin ng extension. Hello po! Kailangan namin, good afternoon po! Kailangan kasi namin ng adapter for the hair straightener. So, nagpunta pa talaga kami ng City Hardware para doon. O, diba? Pumunta pa kami talaga dito para lang sa adapter ng pang-tiis ganda talaga.
Kahit ano na lang po. Ng purple. Ay, ano ng purple?
Wala white,
Ito
ma'am?
na lang po. Purple.
Purple na.
Thank you po.
Halo, char, ano?
Sige po. Hello! So, we're going out now for dinner because it's my birthday today. So, we're going out for birthday dinner. So, pupunta tayo sa Primos. So, join us for my birthday dinner. Let's go! restaurant and we're going to have my birthday dinner here. So, namimili kami ng orderin ngayon na hirap kami. We're gonna show you kung ano yung i-order namin. Tapos, they are famous for their signature smoked meat. So, most probably yun yung pipiliin natin. Okay, so let's try the appetizer that came in. So this is pulled pork. Oh damn. Ayan po, so our orders arrived. So we ordered the beef brisket and back ribs. This is mushroom soup and fried rice. Tapos kinain na namin yung bao na masarap. So si Gabby as in cannot contain it. Alright, let's go eat. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy
birthday to you!
Thank you po. Salamat po. Thank
Happy
you.
birthday! Take a picture.
So Gab, anong masasabi mo? So far.
Sobrang sarap ng food. Everything. Sarap po.
Okay, so what can you say about the dinner?
It's very, very good. I like all the food and it's so yummy and wow and amazing.
And the place is really nice.
This is-
Sobrang nice nung place. They have the parang hanging jungle, hanging garden. And it feels like we almost, well, we actually got the place to ourselves. Ako na lang kumakain. Ewan ko kung ba't nag-stop na sila. Busog na yata sila. The beef brisket is really good, very tender. The smokiness is really nice. And then the pork rib is also good. Plus the sauce. Siyempre the rice. Parang weird no, nung combination. Pero sobrang dami ng rice. Pero kumakain pa rin ako.